Yes, yes. Package from China.
Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome people, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about the Gpd Plus or Gpd 2. It's an Android based system and yeah, it runs this one on Android 7.7 if I'm correctly. The funny thing is, yes, it's the second version and we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. The box itself is almost the same. This one got a quality seal. Ooh. Let's see what's inside the box itself. It's a really quality box. Really nice. Comes with a little picture of the Gpd itself. Alright, Gpd, the system itself, a power adapter with a micro USB cable, but it was not in because I already unboxed it. Waha, surprise. And screen protector. A little, is it a piece of toilet manual? Yeah, a piece of toilet manual. Can I get it out? It's stuck. What? Come here. What does it say? Gpd protection to fix. So there's a card if you have any problems. And the mapping, nothing special. Alright, let's take a close look at the system itself. Alright, it looks exactly the same like the previous version. High quality buttons. They did some changes with adjusting the screen. They improved it a little bit. And yeah, the button layout is exactly the same. Exactly. Same quality buttons, so in this case, they didn't change a lot. The internal components are upgraded. And in the first run, we are going to capture it from the screen itself. Alright, let's power it on. Hold the button. And the magic is going to happen. Alright, let's see if my camera like to focus on the screen. It's a 5-inch IPS screen like the previous one, but they improved the screen, so it's a little bit brighter than the previous version. And I want to show you in this part how fast the Gpd boots up. And it's gonna take some time. Oh, here he is. Alright, let's slide it open. Yeah, and of course it comes with the Happy Chicken app. It's really horrible. It's only crashing, so if you can, just remove it. Alright, here we can find the emulators that is pre-installed. PSP, RetroArch is on this one. And here at the bottom we find some different versions: Arcade and 64, Super Famicom, Dreamcast and PS1. There are some pre-installed games on it, and like the previous version, we got the games like, just Android games, apps like Netflix, everything like your ordinary Android device is supported. And here we can find some apps. It's a touch screen, so if you want to add or touch the screen, you can just touch it like in tablet, so that's really awesome. You can just change your mode. You can add your external game joypads, and that is really awesome, so you can use it like an original Android device or console. And let's do a little bit of a brightness adjustment, and let's give you a little bit of an example how bright it is. I don't think you can see it on the camera, the brightness, but I don't put it all the way because it's hurting my eyes. And this is really what I want to point out. This sounds a little bit weird maybe for some people, but I've got really sensitive eyes, and this means if I have a screen that is too, I want to say too bright, interruption maybe, or there is something with the screen that get my eyes very tired after a short time period, and that I really want to point out. I also got this problem with a PSP 3000 and PSP Go, And then also got this with this screen. I don't know why it is. I have read, Googled it and read something up in it. But I really love to point out, if you have the same problem, keep in mind that the screen is brighter, but I personally don't think it's better. So that is my personal opinion. Overall, let's do a little bit of a gameplay and yeah, let's hook it up to my capture card this time.
Round 1. Fight!
So people, for the final conclusion about the GPD Plus. Yeah, body is exactly the same like the old one. This one got a better screen, more power inside, but the old version is around the $150 and the new version goes up to around the $230, depending a little bit where you can buy it, and maybe sometimes it's for sale. So don't pin me on the price, it can be a little bit different over time. But then is the question, what do you need to buy? If you just want to play old games like this one and just old Android games, yeah, the old version is just fine. But if you want to have more power, and this is needed for Dreamcast, PlayStation, and maybe for some upcoming emulators. But this is very important also. If you want to play emulators on this thing, it is not only the hardware that's important, the software is also very important. Overall, the GPD Plus is a really lovely piece of hardware. It runs a lot of great games and emulators, and if you're searching for the ultimate portable handheld, I think this is something you can consider. So I hope you really enjoyed my video and have a better idea of what you're going to get in this little package. I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And stay strong, stay positive, and stay wicked. Ooh, before I forget, game on, baby! Yeah. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.